Hello again. I thought I would send you another message so you can see me with my hair down. It's getting nice and long, eh? It's Friday night. I look like Shrek. I got my little earbuds in. I'm just about to start a lesson. Yeah, Friday night, 7 o'clock p.m., and I am working. I baked Christmas cookies today. That was exciting. And that's about it. Have to work again tomorrow. So pathetic. Um, I was going to send you a message during the day so you can actually see this place when it's not so dark out. The fire is actually going, but you can't really see it right now. It's just embers. There's one of my cats. Um, that that is Zen. He wants to go outside. He's like a dog. He'll just stand there and scratch at the door until I open it for him. He is 4 years old and he's a little bugger. Anyway, I'm going to go open the door for him, but I'm going to just make this short and sweet. And don't know if I'll have a chance to send you more videos before Christmas. Hopefully, I will. That's it. That's all I got, man. So, love you. Bye. Where's that off button? There it is. See ya.